Welcome to the Travellink tutorial, booking process. With the search criteria entered through the combined search, our platform will perform the search once you click on the button. After the bar loads, the platform will present results in the following way. The route bar displays an overview of available flights, highlighting the cheapest in green and the most expensive in red. The flight detail bar, where the information is shown in the left to right order, including the airline, flight number, dates and times, cities of departure and arrival, technical layovers, aircraft type, the time of travel, the cabin, the booking class, the fare family, baggage allowance, and its price. If it is of interest, the platform allows filtering flights to show their available cabins and prices. Once you find the desired flight, click on the plus icon. A window will appear after you click on the plus icon with detailed information. You can enter manually or load the pre-saved passenger information. Remember, always to fill out the mandatory fields, and finally, click on Book. You can confirm the platform reservation code at the top and the airline's record locator under the Company Confirmation Number tab. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next tutorial.